In this short video, we're going to look at the classic chemical demonstration of the blue bottle experiment. The blue bottle experiment shows you the difference between methylene blue, a simple indicator, in its oxidized and reduced forms, and is an example of a reversible chemical change that's easy and cheap to do in a school laboratory. Methylene blue solution that we're using here is a 1% solution in alcohol, and to aid the demonstration we've pre-weighed 5 grams of glucose. The experiment mixture is a straightforward one. Into the sodium hydroxide solution we add the methylene blue and the glucose. We don't need to be particularly careful with the measuring of the methylene blue solution. Approximately 1 cubic centimeter is sufficient. When we put the lid on and shake up the solution, the oxygen has a chance to go into the methylene blue and cause it to turn to its oxidized form. And we can see from the equation later on as to why this is oxidation. After a few minutes, the methylene blue solution becomes the reduced form as the oxygen leaves the solution. You can of course then shake it up and show that this is a reversible change. If we look at the equation from top to bottom, you can see that the methylene blue goes from its reduced form to its oxidized form, and we can use a number of the simple definitions of oxidation and reduction to explain this. In simple terms, oxidation is the gain of oxygen, and you can see where that is taking place. Reduction is also the addition of hydrogen, and again you can see here where that occurs. The experiment can be used in a number of different ways. The most obvious one is to show reversible chemical change in a simple form. You could use it as a lesson starter, asking the students what's causing the change. They might come up with all sorts of answers, from the heat of your hand causing the color, the sound energy from your voice is causing the change, and those which are a little more dubious might suggest that you've secreted some form of chemical in the cap of the bottle, and this is in fact a magic trick. Please dispel the idea that chemistry is magic. Have fun with this experiment.